Just doing a little track walk, trying to see what's all going on this track before we really hit it. So just taking you guys with me, have a look. So you never rode a 500? Never rode one. Well, you're gonna. Oh, almost. Check the decompression.
Yep, put her back in.
Yeah. It's hard to start. That's the thing. They're not easy to start. So what'd you think of the 500, Hank? First ride?
That's a lot of bike.
Yeah.
That's a lot of bike.
Just pulls, eh?
It's whenever you need the power, it's right there.
Crazy, eh?
It's hard when you come into a corner and it sinks in and you just let it go. It's like you gotta really hold on. Like my hands are super cramped now.
It's really hard not to get arm pump.
Oh yeah, like it's like you're holding on to it.
Yeah.
But like you come up to the bottom of a jump and you need that extra power, you just hit it and it goes.
It's there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like a two-stroke 450.
Yeah, exactly. It's crazy, eh?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
Here.
Oh.
What'd you think of the 500?
Yeah, that's a lot for even 2 laps.
I know.
grab this bike from
Yeah, I'm coming. Hop out of the way, Nick. You okay?
Oh, I rocked my head there.
I saw ya.
There. I'll lean it up over there.
You okay?
Pick yours up. Yeah. I got it.
I'll shut my fuel off and lay her down. Nick,
Good?
Nick's alright. He hit his head pretty good.
What?
Nick wiped out. He hit his head pretty good. He got kicked real hard.
Yeah, right?
I got it on footage. We got the video, Nick. You'll see it. Well, we had a really good day out riding. The bikes are back in the shop. It's all cleaned up. After we had the crash, I didn't ride too much more. I was having some troubles with the GoPro. Haven't really figured that out yet 100%. And somehow I really buggered up my knee. So I've been hobbling around all week. But I wanted to get something out for you guys. So hopefully you guys like what I got. And we'll get more in the future. If you guys want to see more riding videos, let me know. And we'll try and get that for you. Anyway, thanks a lot for checking this one out, guys. And we'll see you in the next one.
I'm always flirting with pain. She like to hurt me and maim. I'm always working.